Hi student, today I'm going to explain you the solution of exercise 1.2 starting from question number 12. Today I made this video to make you understand the steps how to do it, because previously whatever you are doing was just a revision part, but here we are going to do the tricky ones, the tricky problem. So I'm going to narrate you with the solution. So first question is question number 12. How many 6-digit number are there in all? So to find out type 6-digit questions answer, what you have to find out the smallest 5-digit number, okay, and you have to find out the greatest 6-digit number, that is the starting range and the ending range. That is, see, the smallest 5-digit number, okay, and the largest 6-digit number. If it goes like this, what you have to find out the difference between these two range, and you are going to get the total number of digits, 6-digit number. Now next question is question number 13. Write down the greatest number and the smallest 4-digit number that can be formed by the digit 7504 using each digit only once. That means no repetition. So we know the rule, the thumb rule, how to write smallest digit and greatest digit. The rule is you have to start with the greater number. In case of making it greatest number, you have to start with the largest digit. So here the total digit is 7504. Okay, 7504. Let me turn the mobile, it will be full screen. Okay, now see. Okay, now see. Yes, 750. So we have to start it with 7, then we are going to follow with 5, then 4. 7540. Now what is the smallest 4-digit number? Obviously it's going to be start with the list value number digit. And what is the list value digit? It is 0, but we cannot write 0 in the extreme left position, so we are going to start with 4, because after 0 the 4 is the next digit, list value digit. So 4057. Okay, so this is the way we are going to follow the largest and 4-digit number from the given 4-digit. Now what is question number 14? Rearrange the digit of the given number. The number is 5701024. Okay, so that we are going to get largest number and smallest number of 7-digit number. So what first we have to do, we have to first find out what are the digit in the given number. The given number, what is the digits? So I'm going to write the digit in the given number like this separately. Then I'm going to arrange this digit in ascending and descending order to get the largest and the smallest number. See, I have started with 7, that is the largest valued number, then 542, then 0, because it is 20, I'm going to write 00. Now what is next number? Smallest number, obviously it's going to start with 0, but since we cannot start a number with 0, so I have started with 1, then again 0, as because 20 is 0, we are putting 20, then 2457. Then see, it's in the ascending order as per the rule to make smallest number. Okay, let us move to question number 15. What is the question number 15? Keeping the place value of 3 in the number digit same, that means the digit which is the position will 3 remain same. See, what is the digit over here? It's ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so this 10,000 position is going to be remain unchanged. That means the 30,000 will remain there. So condition, the place value of 3 will remain unchanged. That is, it will be in the same position. For writing such type of thing, I'm just giving you how to do it. First, actually, I did it. First, what you have to do, you have to mention OTH, TH, TTH, and L above it. Okay. What you have to do, first you have to write this 3 over here, because it's going to be remain unchanged. Then you have to arrange the remaining number of the main digit series. See, from here. So it's because I have already taken 3 and put it in as per the instruction. I have put the number in 10,000 position. So what are the left out number? 70265. So I'm going to arrange 7, 2, 6, 0, all this digit in the what form? Yes, in the descending order. So see, 7, 6, 5, 2, 0. I'm not going to disturb this position of 3. Same thing for smallest number also. Again I have to write. First I have to write this thing O, T, H, T, H, then T, T, H, then left. So what was the fixed position? That is fixed position is for 3. Then again the remaining number we are going to arrange them in ascending order. Again there is a twist as because 0 is there. So I cannot write 0 in the first position. I have to start with 2, then 0, then 5, 6, 7. Why? Because 3 is already fixed and I cannot write 0 in the first position. Now, what is the next question? We are there in question number 15. No, 16 number. 16 number question is, form the smallest and the greatest 4-digit number by using any one digit twice from the given digit. Okay, so again, what is the given digit? 5 to 3. So when you are writing the smallest digit, you know the rule. You have to start with ascending number, 2, then 3, then 5, then 9. So it's because you have to write only 4 digit. I'm going to write, and another condition is that you have to repeat only one digit once. So if I am going to write 2, 2, 3, 5, I'm repeating the smallest number. What is the smallest number digit over here? It's 2. So I'm repeating 2. I cannot write 2, 3, 3. Then what it will become? It will become 2335. I'm going to write 2235 because 300 is again going to be a number with a more value. So I cannot write 233. I'm going to repeat the last 2 digit. And I'm going to ignore this 9 because my limitation is 4-digit number. Now, what is the greatest number? How to write greatest number? Again, the same rule. We have to write the given digit in ascending order. As because it's a greatest number, I'm going to repeat the first written digit 2 times. I'm going to ignore 2 because if I put 2, then it is going to be 5-digit number. But my target is to make 4-digit number. So here is the end of this also. Now question number 62, same thing. I'm not narrating much. Same thing. What will going to happen? What is the first number? It should be 0, 1, 4. But I cannot write 0 in the first position. I'm going to write 1, 0, 0, 4. Now, where is the twist over here? I cannot repeat this first. As per rule, I've told you earlier that I have to repeat this first digit. But see, here in this case, if I repeat 1, then what will happen? The value will increase. So I have to repeat this 0. In this type of case, exceptionally, we are going to repeat the digit which is there in second. That means only 0 is going to be repeated. Okay, not the first number, because actually we are doing a favorism, you can say, to the 0, not putting it in the front. But actually 0 should be in the front. But we know the 0 is having no value when it is kept in the extreme left of any number. Now, what is greatest number? The greatest number is going to be 641 as per our arrangement. So I'm going to repeat the first number as per the rule. 66 is going to make you. You can also check, if, for example, if you want to, why you can say, ask me, ma'am, why you cannot write 6441? Just see, if I'm writing 6441, is it the number going to have more value than this number? No. So that is why. Same thing goes for here also. See, it's 1. It's because no 0 is there. I'm going to repeat this one again. Okay, 1145. Then again, 864 is going to be the number. 864, 88. Oh, sorry. It's going to be 8865. It's going to be 8865. 8865. Okay, 8865. I have written mistakenly. I have written 4. It's going to be 8865. Now coming to the next question, 17. You have to form the greatest 6-digit number. You know this is the greatest 6-digit number. Total 6 number of 9. Then what is 7-digit number? Again, This is a 7-digit number. You have to find out the difference. So you know difference is going to be 6-digit and 7-digit. Highest, low, smallest 7-digit number and highest 6-digit number is having a difference of 1. Now what is there in the next question? 80 number. The greatest 4-digit number having distinct digit. Distinct digit. The word distinct digit means you cannot repeat any digit. So we know what is the rule. What are the available digit that we are having? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have to mix and match this number to make greatest number and smallest number. So as we know that 9 is the digit having the higher value, that is the highest value. So 9 I'm writing, then followed by 8, 7, 6. Okay. What is the smallest number having distinct digit? So again it will going to be start with 0, but I cannot write 0 in the first position. I'm going to write 1 in the first position, then 0, then 2, then it will be 3 again. See, I made a mistake. It will be 1, 0, 2, 3. Okay, now greatest 4-digit number using 3 different digits, 6-digit number. So what I have to do? I have to put 6-digit number. Now what is that will be used? 987. So I'm going to use it. See, I have to make the number greatest number. So I have to repeat this number as much possible, the 9, the first digit, because I'm going to make a greatest number. So what is the total number of digits? Is going to be this 6. So I'm going to write 4, 9 followed by 2, 7, 1, 8 and 7. Okay. Smallest 7-digit number using 4 different digits. So smallest number has to be start with it should have the combination of 0, 1, 2, 3, because I'm going to write the smallest number. So combination without repetition is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3. Again, how I'm going to write it? Smallest is the number using 4 digits. That means I'm going to write 1. I'm going to repeat this 0 again. Why? Same rule, because if I'm going to write because 0 is having the least value and I want smallest number. So I'm going to repeat 0, then followed by 2 and 3, because it was told like that. Okay, what is the condition over here? Using 4 different digits, I cannot make any more changes. I have to use this only 4 digit and I have to write the smallest number with this 4 digit. I cannot write 1, 1, 1, 1. If I'm starting writing 1, 1, 1, you can just have an idea. The value will increase as because I'm going to put, because if any digit having instead of 0 having 1, that means value is increasing. If it is having 1, instead of 1 it is having 7, the value increase. So I cannot write 1 here. I am going to write 0 over here. But still, if you are having any confusion in any of the problem solving, you can ask in the communicate part of your MCC. Now question number 22. It is coming with a precondition. Okay, you have to form the greatest and smallest number, 4-digit number, and some conditions given over here. First is digit 7 is always in unit place. So that means in 0 place we have to keep it. How we are going to write this one? Okay, yes, 7 we are going to put in, while we writing this thing, we are going to make this chart, place value chart. I am going to write this fixed one. So we know the rule, how to start with the smallest number. The smallest number always start with 1. If it is a non-repetition, then I am going to write 0, then 2. And what is the condition for this highest number? It's going to be start with 9, 8 and 6. Why am I writing 6? Because after 9, after 8, after 9, 8 is coming, then after 8, 7 is coming. But it was told that there is no repetition and the 7 will be in the position of O. That is one's place. So I want the thing which is leaving, remaining left out, that is 6. I'm going to write it over here. Now 10th position was fixed, that is 4 is fixed. I'm going to write 4 over here from prior away. I'm going to write this thing. Then I'm going to arrange the other remaining digits, because 4 digit I need. So what is the combination for writing smallest 4-digit numbers? 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, but here is a twist. 4 is already told to us. No, 3 is there. So what is the thing? I can 1, 0, 2. Instead of 4, they they have already decided that they are not going to use the 3, they are going to use 4. So what is the another 3 digit less having value less than this 4? So it's 102. Okay, now again 4 is, so I have to use the remaining 3 place, left out 3 places by the digit 9, 8, 7. So I'm going to put them accordingly. Again, the value of 9, the position of 9 is fixed, that is 100 position. And what is the, how many places are left over? That is 1, 2 and 3 places. So what are the 3 smallest digit? That is 0, 1, 2. So again 1 will be in the first position. Then if I'm ignoring this one, is this line, if I ignore this 9 position, then 102 I'm writing. Then again here see 9 is already given, I'm ignoring the 9th 100 position, I'm writing 8, then I'm writing 7 and 6. Okay, now again 2 position, this 1000 position, the 2 is going to have 1000 position. What is the left out number for writing smallest number? That is 0, 1, 2 has been already used up by us, then 0, 1 and then 3. So I have to arrange it. So first I'm going to start with 0 here, because 0 is not in the extreme left, rather it is in the second position. Now what is the another condition for writing greatest number? It's going to be 987. Now these are the left out numbers. So how to write them? Yes, to arrange them in a descending order. Here is the end of your this chapter solution. Please go through the video properly. If you have any confusion, again I am saying you, please communicate us through the MCC app. There is a communicate portion, but if you are not able to access that one, you can ask your friend to help you out. Okay, thank you for the time being.